In front of me is OPPO Find X2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Password and Security. Then select Face, enter your screen lock, and hit Continue. Now keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen, and wait for 100% mark. Select Done, manage all of those options, and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!